hope you have been well since the last time we were together. Welcome to this week's episode. Today I decided to do a topic on eating. I've noted some babies just develop a habit of not feeding well. Have your baby not been feeding well? Don't worry, because today we are going to find a solution. I'm going to give you a few tips that can help you improve his or her eating habits. So number one is making eating colorful. So babies don't like boring things. They are very curious. They want to see new things every day. So when you're making their meal, the same applies. You can do carbohydrates, white like ugali, and then greens, and then on top of it proteins. You can do something that is colorful like red, and then you add a few other things like carrots, just to make it colorful and make them curious, make them want to eat it. Number two is encouraging family meal time. These children are very observative, so they want to see, they wonder why is dad not eating today, and they decide not to eat as well. But if they see everyone is at the table eating, they will be tempted to also eat, because they know that everyone eats, and they will understand that that is a meal time, and they will tend to obey the meal time. Number three is making a variety of meals. They don't want to, they don't like repeating the same thing over and over again. So you don't want to make rice, beans and greens today, tomorrow, the day after, and every day. So what you can do, you can change. Like for example, if you make beans for proteins today, tomorrow you can make something else like dengu or the other lentils, and then the other day meat, something different, just to make them want to try something new every day. Number four is taking them out for a meal, but eating out doesn't necessarily mean a junk festival. Buy them something that is healthy, like fruits. We know fruits have been known to be good appetizers, so you can buy them something healthy once in a while outside to break the monotony. Number five is creating awareness of why we need this food and why we need it healthy. Sometimes children think you're just forcing them to, why do I have to eat if I don't want to eat? But if you teach them and inform them why meals are important and why they need to eat a balanced diet every time they are eating their meals, then they will understand why, and with time they will learn that it is important to learn to eat, and they will improve their eating habits. On top of all this, there are two more points to note. That water is very important to our body, and I would encourage you to include it in your meal plans. The other one is that it is always important for you to consult your nutritionists for more guidance. Thank you very much. I would like for you to like my video, share widely, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Until we meet again. Bye.